Hey, it's Shay back again, and today I want you to check out a new campaign with me that I recently just started a few days ago. It's already doing up and over $300 a day, and I just really wanted to bring this to you to hopefully motivate you to go create your own make money online campaigns just like I do with these campaigns. And this is something that I show my students basically on a weekly basis, just to continue reinforcing that motivation for them to go make their own, again, their own successful make money online campaigns. Because hey, it's just like anything. When you know what you're doing, things like this are incredibly easy. You can make new campaigns online any day you want to. And I mean, it's just like printing money. When you know what you are doing, especially with the methods that I teach, anything is possible. The numbers that you want to do personally are completely up to you. And I'm willing to help you get there if you are serious, of course. And I'm going to jump into that in just a second. But first of all, as I said, I've got campaigns that I only just recently started, only a few days ago, in fact. And I just recently showed these to my students only a couple days ago when they started as well. And, just updated them basically yesterday. And I really just wanted to bring this to you so you can check it out as well. So I'm just going to jump straight in here to the first network here that I want to show you. There's 3 in total. And I basically ran the exact same traffic source across all 3 networks. Okay, I basically just split up a certain percentage of traffic to all 3 at the same time. So I'm just going to try keep this video short. So just run through some of the numbers here. And if I didn't say already, and if it's not obvious, I'm getting paid for generating clicks alone. Okay, so I'm not getting paid for generating leads or full sales or anything like that. Anything that you would normally know about to actually make money online. I'm getting paid for generating the initial click, basically, you could say, in the funnel. All right. And again, as I'm saying these things, if you don't understand some of the things that I'm saying, that's okay. It doesn't matter for right now. Again, I just want to show you the reports and the numbers that I've been able to do so early on with this new campaign that I just started from scratch. So let's just continue here. So with this network, the average cost per click, the average revenue per click I'm getting paid here, RPC, is $4.74. So keep that number in mind as we go to the next 2 networks. We'll actually see different average RPCs. And today is the 11th. All right, so we're in May right now. I started this campaign on the 8th. So again, we're just over halfway, only just over halfway through today. And this network, I sent a little less amount of traffic, I would say. So got 28 clicks were generated, $124.54 for today so far, $241 total. And I'm just going to go over to the next network here now. As you can see, the same dates again, 8th of May to the 11th today. Almost less clicks, I would say, with this one. But as you can see, the average EPC or RPC, revenue per click or earnings per click, same thing, $6.16. All right, some days even at $6.30. So, really think about that. If you could just generate money just by, getting paid for clicks, just generating the click, and you're getting $6.30 for just one click. This is what I'm talking about here. As you can see with this one, the conversion rates actually dropped off a little bit here. So what I actually did, I pushed a little more traffic to the 3rd network here. I just already had this expanded so you can see the dates here. All right, so I actually pushed a little more traffic, a higher percentage through my click rotator. And even though this one was, of course, paying less, I mean, if you look at the total average, it's only 72 cents. Some individual days, all right, a couple days ago on the 9th, we had $2.03 per click. On this offer, $1.90 per click. So it had a little less, but it's converting much higher, this one. So I decided to send more traffic this way. And it's made a nice amount of money in, just a bit over 3 days. And if we average all of them out over even 4 full days, it's already still doing over 300 a day. So between these 3 networks, it's making a nice amount of money already. And here's the thing. I can show you what I'm doing here. If you are seriously interested and you want to know what I am doing, I can show you, but I'm only going to have this open for a short amount of time, because here's the thing again, I really only want to show this to serious people. I of course am not a robot or anything crazy like that. I'm a normal person, and I'd rather spend my time showing serious people how I'm doing this. So if you are serious and you'd really like to know how I am doing this, then it's super simple. Just take action right now by clicking the link at the top of the description. Okay, so it's just going to be right there in the description of this video. I'll just put a quick, super short bit.ly link to jump straight over to my site. Alright, so just click that link straight at the top, and I'll just jump over there also. Alright, so I'm just going to here on my site right now. So all you have to do is just enter in your email address, type that in right here in the field, and then just click the button, the get access button here, and then you're going to be all set. Okay, you're going to have access. There's just one final thing that I'm going to do for you, and that is to send my welcome email out to you so you can get access to everything you need to get started right now. Okay, so it's super important, and as soon as you've entered in your email address on the next page, I'll remind you again just to go check your inbox. Okay, but make sure that you do that. Go check the email address that you just entered in and look for my welcome email. I'm going to give you full access to everything I'm doing with these Make Money Online campaigns, but again, only for a short amount of time. So take advantage of this right now, so I can show you everything that I show my students on a daily basis. So I'll see you over there, and I look forward to working with you really soon.